Here is a good article about healing herbs and spices every mother should know. Several common ailments have its own remedies that are known for ages before the advent of medicines. Many of these remedies are viewed to be still effective and cost-effective as they are found in most pantries, and therefore there is no need to go to the drugstore. We will discuss some lifestyle morbidity that are very common today, along with corresponding remedy that is effective, safe and readily available. High blood sugar is very common but largely unnoticed among individuals today. It is marked by frequent food cravings, thirst for sugary drinks and fatigue that cause even more influx of glucose in the body over time, decreasing effectiveness of insulin and causing diabetes. One effective healing herb is bitter melon, whose effectiveness in bringing down sugar is the same as the drug Glibenclamide without the side effects. Remove the seeds, slice into thin pieces and sauté in olive oil and onions until bright green and eat as a salad. Cooking it reduces bitterness, but they can be eaten raw. Motion sickness and other related conditions like vertigo, nausea and migraine is very common. It is often treated with drugs, but it doesn't work for everyone. One effective way is to use ginger, which has aromatics to ease the strained nerves and senses. Crush a piece and sniff, or boil with honey to make a relaxing tea. Ginger can also handle dyspepsia and diarrhea caused by E. coli bacteria. Garlic is another effective remedy for individuals at risk with hypertension and blood clots. Compounds in garlic and ginger are proven to thin the blood and decrease risk of stroke and heart attack to susceptible persons. Its pungency can be reduced by mixing crushed garlic cloves in milk and adding some honey. Onions are one of the best sources of antioxidants that can reduce inflammation and effects of stress in the body. It can also help women with osteoporosis because it inhibits bone loss. Shallots are especially rich in phenols, and along with tea and coffee it ranks as one of the richest sources of the antioxidant. Cough and colds often happen more than twice in the family, especially to children. Oregano tea can ease onset of symptoms and hasten recovery from cough and colds. This has been attributed to high levels of antioxidants found in oregano. Another notable property of oregano is its ability to kill the deadly pathogen Listeria monocytogenes. Listeria is often found in insufficiently frozen raw dairy, raw poultry and red meat, sausages and fish. The most expensive yet highly favored spice called saffron also has benefits in the body as well. Researchers have long known that saffron has neuroprotective, anti-tumor, antidepressant and weight loss enhancing properties. Saffron is used for ages in ancient Ayurvedic medicine, and today, scientists are just uncovering its benefits in the body. Frequent consumption of food with saffron can help reduce risks of having Alzheimer's, breast cancer, depression and heart attacks. And most importantly, do not forget to subscribe to our channel, DocOnline, to be updated on how to be naturally healthy and not consume medications.